Yeah, I think you've grown a little bit of weight. Gaining some weight. So we've had a very interesting morning. We almost missed our train that is gonna take us back to Amsterdam. We overslept a little bit. We set an alarm for 7 a.m. Evan pops up at 7:40 like, we gotta go, because our train was at 9. And so then we just threw everything in our bags and ran out the door and
easy peasy.
Made it. And the train systems here bring me so much anxiety because they don't tell you which platform or anything to go to until 15 minutes before your train departs. And like, we arrive 30 minutes to an hour before it departs, and we don't know where we're supposed to go, but we do know where we're supposed to go now. We're waiting for our second train, so we've actually already went from Paris to Brussels, and now we're in Brussels waiting for our train to Amsterdam to show up. So we've had an interesting morning.
Easy peasy.
So while we're waiting for our train, we could talk about our day yesterday.
Yeah.
So what was your favorite part of Disneyland yesterday?
So Tower of Terror was great. And the other one.
Big Thunder.
Big Thunder Mountain was great.
Big Thunder Mountain. And it was like the cherry on top of our day that
Premier access.
we got premier access
for
from
free.
A kind stranger. We got so lucky because we were literally, I was headed into the bathroom across from the attraction to pee before we waited in line for an hour to ride it. And the lady stopped Evan and she says, "Do you speak English?" And he's like, "Yeah." So then she explained that her parents didn't want to ride, so they had 2 extra premiere passes if we wanted to ride it right now. And we're like, yeah, let's do it. So we jumped on and we got right on. We waited maybe 10 minutes and we got on. It was really good. We got so lucky because then we were able to, do more, and we didn't have to spend an hour of our time waiting in line. So the most we waited in line yesterday for a ride was, I think, 40 minutes. 40 minutes was it.
So probably if you want to keep it less than an hour, you need to get 2 premier accesses.
We did end up buying 1 premier pass yesterday for Ratatouille, just so that way we could get the 12 attractions done that we did yesterday. We did 12 things.
No, man.
Yeah, I counted it. I went through the footage and I was like, oh, I counted. We got 12 attractions done yesterday. So that was really good.
One thing I noticed was a lot of the rides were uncovered. The lines were uncovered compared to Disney, where there's hardly any uncovered lines.
Yeah, and it wasn't as cold inside. Yeah, he got a little burnt. But it wasn't as cold inside too. Like, in Florida when you walk into anywhere, you're like hit with AC. Wasn't that here. So
like a little warmer than we do.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of houses don't have ACs around here, so.
Well, then maybe that makes sense then. But we did do Premier Pass once, and I accidentally goofed. I was getting our Premier Passes on the app, and I lost Wi-Fi. So I thought that it didn't go through. And so I went in and got another one. And it turns out we bought 2 Premier Passes for Ratatouille. So we had to go to guest services, and they were very awesome. So the guest services there, very nice, friendly, and helpful. And they just took off 1 and refunded us.
It's their A-team.
The A-team, yeah. Out of all the staff members or cast members that we interacted with at Disneyland, guest services was my favorite. They were very professional and friendly and what you would expect from Disney cast members.
I will say the merchandise was lacking.
Yeah.
The shirts we liked, they didn't have any of them, or they only had XXL.
Yeah.
We checked a few places and they didn't really restock them either, so I got a cup. We'll show that later.
Everyone got a cup. I don't even think I even mentioned where we were staying. We were staying at Sequoia Lodge, and we were in Monterey Lodge, Monterey Building, I don't know. But our plan once we get to Amsterdam is to check in at our hotel, get some food, and then go back and get ready. to Amsterdam. We did it. It was rough. I mean, it was difficult. This is a good word. But it took a while for us to find the right tram to get to our hotel.
We don't know the tram maps yet.
Yeah, and just figure out how to buy a ticket. But anyways, we're here and we're about to go get some lunch somewhere. What's it called?
Don't know yet.
We don't know what it's called yet. But before the room gets lived in, I was gonna show off our room because it's cute. So you first walk in, you have a bed with a library mural, and then you have a little desk area with a chair and your TV, and off to the right is the bathroom where you have just a toilet, a shower, sink, and then some storage area, shelving space. Believe it or not, this room's actually just slightly larger than Dwight and Sonja's because we have a little bit more room to move around, it looks like. But the best part, oh shoot, am I not able to open the window? Oh man, something's stopping it, but I'll just show you out the window. This is our view of Amsterdam. Looks like they're doing some sort of construction right here. But yeah, look at those cute little houses maybe, or apartments, or even a hotel, I don't know. But yeah, well, that's disappointing. I can't open that. Oh God. Okay, I have to figure that out. So this is our room. What'd you get? What is it?
A split. It's like a banana split.
Yummy. Look at all that American stuff. That's so funny.
That's funny. They Twinkies.
What'd you get, Dwight?
Cannabis condoms in there.
No way.
Is that what you got?
I got a couple.
No, but really, what'd you get?
Yeah, show her. It costs
$11 for two of them.
$11.
But you know, I got it because it says dark chocolate on it.
What's the recommended how much to eat?
It probably says it on there, but in another language.
Yeah.
The whole bar.
I figured he got it to help you sleep, right? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, hopefully it works.
Sonja made me get it.
So the bikes here are insane. Sonja.
Insane.
Sonja, tell them what happened to you.
I've already run into one.
Sonja got hit by a biker.
A guy in a bike.
But you're okay
He
though,
didn't
right?
say nothing, but he just took off again. Not sorry or...
He didn't say excuse me or sorry or anything?
No.
What the heck?
He grunted, I guess, Dwight said.
That's
Probably
it's not very
that old
nice.
woman.
But she's okay.
We're okay.
Alright, so we just came back to the room. We've got some bottles of water because we needed some water. But we had lunch. Well, I guess I should call that dinner. What do you think?
winner.
We had dinner at the Ice Bakery Cafe, and I'll probably post a little clip of that right here. Evan got, well, we kind of shared both. Evan got a 4-cheese pizza, and I got the spinach and ricotta ravioli, and they were both very good, very yummy. But anyways, when we were walking back after going to the pharmacy and to the little grocery store to get bottles of water, we saw a man laying on the ground. He got hit. We think he got hit by a car. But yeah, he was bleeding and paramedics came, so I post a clip of it right here. But yeah, that was unfortunate. So you gotta watch out and be careful here. Not only for bikes. We talked about how crazy the bikes are, but evidently the cars are crazy too. So gotta watch your back look both ways several times before walking. And you have to pay attention to the bike path. So like the bike path is red, like a reddish color on the ground. And then the people, pedestrians, are supposed to walk on the brick ground. But yeah, gotta be careful.
I'm tired.
You're tired? Why would you be tired?
From yesterday and the day before and the day before that.
What did we do yesterday that would make you tired?
Walk.
We always do 37,000
We did.
steps, so I don't know what you're talking
I
about.
did 3/4 of a marathon.
3/4 of a full marathon, yeah. Which was how many miles did we end up doing? 18 miles.
18 miles yesterday.
I've never walked 18 miles in one day before in my life. We did it. So, but yeah, we're gonna go downstairs and get Evan's parents, and then we're gonna just go walk around. Do you know what this place is called?
I can't pronounce it.
Try.
Alrighty. I will try.
Look at this doorway.
It is called.
Oh, yeah, that is cool.
Rick's Museum.
Rick's
It's
Museum.
Rijks.
Okay, the J is the same as an H.
Okay.
That's how you. At
So,
least that's what I've been seeing.
Ryhix.
Rick Museum.
Rick's Museum. Apparently you can ride your bike through here. Right there. It's like just a tunnel. It's nothing really like a church or a museum. Oh, there's something over here. I've been wanting to see this cool tree over here. So cute. Little area.
Looks like a grandma willow.
But that tree. Grandma Willow from Pocahontas.
The life tree.
Or the life tree from Animal Kingdom. But yeah. It's like a little hedge maze. Very cute. We got some mint tea and some homemade bread with garlic butter. And then Sonja's white got spaghetti.
Some Chardonnay.
Chardonnay. So this is the next day. I forgot to close our journal last night. We walked around the park for a little bit and then we went and ate at this Italian restaurant, and it was owned by somebody from Italy, from Napoli, and he was very friendly and told us lots of stories about his childhood, because we had said, hey, we went to Italy a few years ago, and he just had a lot to say about Italy. And he was a great waiter, so we had a good experience there, and the food was great. I had that mint tea. Well, it was basically just mint water, but it was very good. I'll have to make that at home because we have a lot of mint bushes at home that I could just make that at home. So, but overall, it was a good day.